Before you decide on the Tata Harrier manual variant, let's delve into some key aspects that might influence your choice. The Harrier has been a strong contender in the SUV market, known for its robust design and performance. However, it's essential to consider both its strengths and areas where it may fall short. One notable advantage of the Harrier is its aggressive pricing for the base variants, making it more affordable compared to rivals like the Mahindra XUV 700 and AMG Hector. This strategic pricing positions the Harrier as an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. One standout feature of the manual variant is its better fuel efficiency compared to the automatic, making it a more economical choice. And here's a bonus, it comes with lighter clutch operation, making city driving more manageable than you'd expect from an SUV of this size. Inside, the Harrier doesn't skimp on luxury. From its panoramic sunroof to the JBL sound system and connected car tech, it feels premium. But here's a hidden gem, the infotainment system has customizable settings most people don't know about. Safety is another big win. Built on Land Rover's D8 platform, it offers features like 6 airbags, ESP, and hill descent control. But remember, the manual lacks the convenience of the automatic creep function, which is a big plus in bumper-to-bumper traffic. However, it's important to note that the higher variants of the Harrier are considered overpriced by some, especially when compared to competitors offering similar or more features at a lower price point. Additionally, the Harrier lacks a 4x4 drivetrain option, which could be a deal-breaker for those seeking off-road capabilities. In terms of competition, the Mahindra XUV 700 emerges as a strong alternative, boasting a bold design, luxurious cabin, and advanced technology, including a panoramic sunroof and extensive infotainment system. It also offers a broader range of engine options, including a powerful petrol engine alongside the diesel option, catering to a wider audience. Looking ahead, the 2025 Tata Harrier introduces a new petrol variant powered by a 1.5-liter GDI turbo engine, delivering 168 brake horsepower and 280 Nm of torque. This addition aims to offer a dynamic and responsive driving experience with transmission options including a 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic for versatility. In conclusion, while the Tata Harrier manual variant presents a compelling package, it's crucial to weigh its features, pricing, and the availability of alternatives like the Mahindra XUV 700. Additionally, the upcoming 2025 Harrier with its new petrol engine could be worth considering for those seeking enhanced performance and versatility. If you found this overview helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends.